Hello, how are you? I'm fine, and today we are going to make a fantastic shopping center. Very interesting. This is the door, sliding door, you know. Okay, I'll show you. This is our shopping center. We open the4 door. Ooh. Inside we've got 4 shops. No, 5, not 4. Teacher, what are you saying? 5 shops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And stairs and lift here. Elevator, lift. Okay. Here we've got accessorize shop, underwear shop, shoe shop, clothes for warm shop, obviously for warm weather, and clothes for cold weather shop. Okay, and inside each shop we've got products, obviously. Okay, don't worry, today we are going to do only the base, and we fill our shops next week's. Okay, do you agree? Do you like it? I hope it. Okay, to do our shopping center I use colored paper, but you can use white paper. Don't worry about it, it's only colors. Okay, we need 1 A4 paper. I took orange, but you can take white. Don't worry, what you want. If you've got only copybooks paper, it's okay, don't worry. Okay, don't worry about it. Then we need blue paper for the glass, but it's okay, white paper, and you can color it with pencils. You can color it, don't worry. So paper, white, orange, blue paper. Then scissor, glue, pencil case, maybe felted pens. Ready? Did you take it? Stop now the video, take the things you need, and then come back. Okay, take your colored paper or white is the same, and fold it in this way. Then open and fold in this way. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay, then take the blue paper or white paper, how you prefer. I think you've got a big one. To do this is only fold in 2 and cut. But this is too big, so cut with your scissor the right size for the door. The right size for the door could be more or less this one. Okay, then take the glue, put a little bit of glue here or here, only one side, and stick your door Okay, your sliding door is ready. Now decorate it. We decorate. Your sliding door. Do you remember slide? For example, the snail slides. Sliding door. Okay, let's divide it in two maybe. Okay, and we write here the name of our shopping center. I don't know. Emma's shopping center, Veronica's shopping center, Elia's shopping center, Daniel's shopping center, Gregory's shopping center, Nicola's shopping center. All right, Sylvia's shopping center. Shopping center. English way, British way is shopping center. Okay, perfect. Now we're ready to go into our shopping center. It's time to make our shops. Okay, to do our shops we need paper, and now fold in this way, not in this way. Yes, in this way. And then fold again. No, wait. No, we don't fold again. Sorry, we fold in this way now. So one side, second side. And again. Okay, at the end when you open you will have this pattern on your paper. We cut each stripe. At the end we will have 8 stripes. Okay, so stop the video, cut, and then come back. I cut for you. Okay, here we are, we've got stripes. Okay, we need 2 stripes for each shop. So we've got 8 stripes, we can make 4 shops. So please take another paper, and do the same to have another shop. Or if you prefer and you've got waste paper, you can take waste paper and cut them in this shape and size. Shape and size. Okay. Okay, here we are with our pieces. 10 pieces of paper. Now take 2 and we stick them together in a cross in this way. Okay, try to do a perfect cross. If it isn't, it's not a problem, but try. Okay, in this way. I show you. Need a bit of glue and okay, very good. You do this with all your stripes and then see you. So stop the video, do it, and then play again. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 shops. Now, we have to fold them to close our shops. So, we close our shops. In this way. So fold please all your shops in the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? Now, take your shopping center and open it. And let's stick the shops in the correct places. They could be everywhere, but I thought 3 upstairs and 2 downstairs. So on the first floor. Put the glue on the back of your shop and stick it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, don't forget to close your glue. Perfect. Now you can draw your stairs here and some other decorations like inside a shopping center. And sorry, for this week is enough. Okay, so this week enough. Next week we will finish. Not finish, we will go on. Okay, bye bye.